Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just here we can see the media, ringtone, and notifications, alarms, and calls volume panels. We can change the volume of them just by swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with our finger. Also here we can set the silent mode on our device by click once on the switcher, and also we can here enable the vibration in silent mode. Here we can change the volume button control from the media to the ringtone, and now when we'll just change their volume button function to ringtone one, we'll use our volume buttons, we'll change the ringtone volume. Here we can also set the don't disturb mode, and we can change the ringtone, phone ringtone, the messages and the notification sound here. And we got here the more sound settings. We can change, we can enable or disable the keypad tones to the default or to the melody. Also we can enable or disable the screen lock sounds, the screenshot sounds, the screen touches, and the start up sounds on our device. And also we can here enable or disable vibration when we'll touch our navigation keys or just will unlock the device by just click once on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.